Still going there.
It is, Brittany, and it's been fairly smooth. Yes, there's been some traffic and there's been waiting. That was really to be expected. But Bridgeport didn't hand out these tests on a first-come, first-served basis like so many other municipalities. Instead, everyone who's shown up here was chosen by the city ahead of time.
Hello, how are you?
Cars snaked around the parking lots at Hartford HealthCare Amphitheater and spilled onto the surrounding streets.
I got here about 11 o'clock because I knew the line was going to be long.
But the trip here for every single car in line began online. Residents had to register first so the city's health department could decide who would get the 15,837 tests provided by the state.
Who's the most critical, who's the most vulnerable here in the city of Bridgeport that really needs a test immediately?
We're told over 6,000 people registered, wanting over 50,000 tests. That's about 3 times the number available.
Our health department looked at the ones that were symptomatic, that had exposure, underlying health issues, and that were in areas of our high positivity rate.
It was a piece of cake. Actually, I went online, 1, 2, 3, and I got my confirmation letter 2 days ago. I'll be 79 next month.
I'm here because I have an underlying condition. I have multiple sclerosis and lupus.
Unfortunately, we were exposed a few days ago, but so far so good.
And here's some testing information for you. You're welcome. We're checking their IDs and their validated email that we sent out saying that they were entitled to come for a kit.
I got the next one, Lewis.
Some of the cars rolling up represented nonprofits or other groups approved by the city to hand out tests to their members.
So many of our people at the church have been infected, and so we've had to go to an all-virtual church service for this month, and so we wanted to make sure that people get tested.
And the city is hoping to get more at-home COVID tests from the state and is also looking into buying some of their own. City leaders are also reminding people to use these tests correctly. That means test if you have symptoms or 5 days after a possible exposure. In Bridgeport, Marissa Alter, News 12, Connecticut.